Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum children. Hope you all are fine and safe at homes. My name is Saira Lake and I am from SLS 542 branch. Today I am going to teach you maths topic addition, page number 40 and 41. Children, in this picture there are some hands. Let's count how many hands in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 hands. We added all the hands. Any idea about the topic? Yes, addition. Addition means total, altogether, join, both. How many in all? Sum, plus, combine, increase, together and add. So all these words are addition keywords. You have learnt 3-digit numbers in grade 2 that we always start addition from right side first. Then we add ones, tens and hundreds. Now in grade 3, we will learn to add 4-digit numbers. We will follow the same method that we used for 3-digit numbers. For example, 4122 plus 2243. So we will add both numbers. First, we will start from one side. Class 3, do you remember the tip? A bigger number in my mind and smaller number on my fingers. So we will apply here. 3 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and count with me after 3, 4 and 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Add the tens. 2 plus 4. 4 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. Let's count after 4, 5 and 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now come to hundreds column. 1 plus 2. 2 in my mind, 1 on my finger, and count after 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Now come to the last column, hundreds place value, thousands place value, 4 plus 2. 4 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. And let's count after 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6365. Let's see another example with regrouping. And the question is 3674 plus 2186. So we have to add both numbers. First step is add the ones. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means 10 ones. So change to 110. So we will put 0 in the ones column and 1 will be carried to next column, that is tens column. Step 2, add the tens. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 16. So change 10 tens to 100. So we will write 6 in the tens column and 1 will be carried to hundreds column. In step 3, add the hundreds. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 8. And the last column is thousands column. Add the thousand. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5860. First step is add the ones. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means 10 ones. So change to 110. So we will put 0 in the ones column and 1 will be carried to next column, that is tens column. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 16. So change 10 tens to 100. So we will write 6 in the tens column and 1 will be carried to hundreds column. In step 3. Add the hundreds. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 8. And the last column is thousands column. Add the thousand. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5860. Exercise 2A. Fill in the blanks. Here class 3, thus all the sums are written in horizontal form. You will solve the sum in rough column first, then write the answer in the blanks. Okay. First question is the sum of 8,000 and 1,000 is equal to. Here sum means to add. Sum of 8,000 and 1,000 is equal to. Class 3, the question is written in horizontal form, and when you are adding 1,000 in any number, the first three values will remain same. Ones, tens and 100 will remain same. You have to add only thousands place. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So the answer is 9,000. Part B. 4,520 plus 3,500 is equal to dash. Class 3, again this question is written in horizontal form. So first you will write it in vertical form on the rough work column or a separate piece of paper, then solve it. So when we add both numbers, we will start adding from the one side. 0 plus 0 is 0. Tens column, 2 plus 0 is 2. Come to hundreds column, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we will write 0 in hundreds column and 1 will be carried to thousands column. 1 plus 4 plus 3, that is 8. So the answer is 8,020. Exercise 2A, question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. First, A part. To add two numbers when we add ones first. So class 3, I have already explained you that we always start addition from one side. So first part is true. Part B. 4,250 is the sum of 3,125 and 1,025. So first class 3, you will solve it in rough paper or separate column, then find the answer whether the statement is true or false. So if we add 3,125 and 1,025, then the answer is 4,150. So this statement is false. Part C. When we add the numbers, we start adding from the left. As I told you earlier, we always start addition from right side. So this statement is false. Part D. 100 more than 6,504 is 6,604. Here 100 more than means to add 100 in 6,504. As I explained you earlier, in case of adding 100, ones and tens will remain same but only change in hundreds position. So over here ones and tens will remain same and you have to add the numbers in hundreds position. So we get 6,604. So this is true. Number E. Numbers written horizontally cannot be added. As I told you, if bigger numbers are written horizontally, cannot be added. But if the smaller numbers written horizontally can be added, so this statement is false. Page number 41, question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. Here are the questions. Before doing this part, we will recall place value blocks. So this is unit block, this is a bar of tens, and it is a square of 100. These things show the position or place value. Now come to question number A. Here are two squares of 100, one bar of 10 and 4 unit block. So that means 214. So the correct and first let's check the options. 204, 224, 214 and 250. So the correct option is 214. Part B. What is added to 1700 to make it 2000? Let's check the options first. 100, 300, 200 and 400. So question number 4. Add the following. Here are 9 parts of this question. I will solve 2 parts and then rest of the parts you will do by yourself. And the first one, A. 3451 plus 2326. You will start adding from the one side. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now move to tens column. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And move to hundreds column. 4 plus 3 that is equal to 7. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5777. Now class 3, I will choose the part F. 5006 plus 4931. We will start addition from the one side. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Now move to hundreds column. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So the answer is 9937.